Doug with Yaskawa here at FabTech, and I'm stopping off at the PEMA group, and they've got quite an interesting solution here. They've got one of our AR 2010 robots standing on their Skytrack, and I'm here with Tony. He is the service manager with PEMA,
Hello.
and Tony's going to walk us through what they're showcasing here.
Okay, welcome to FabTech. So we came here to FabTech to demonstrate our Skytrack welding equipment. So this is PEMA's first like a compact, easy to install robot welding station for a little bit smaller parts. So basically the idea behind this one is that it's very flexible through our own in-house developed software, and then it's easy for the customer to locate on their work site. It can be just basically picked up with a forklift and transported to a different location, and then just plug the power supplies and start welding. In here we are demonstrating our own weld piece that we have done the programming through our own software, offline programming that we have demonstrating on this side. Very easy, user-friendly software to do the offline programming, so it doesn't take any time from the operators. You can do the programming in the office or wherever with your laptop, and then just transfer the job files to the robot and press play and start going.
Off to the races. Great.
Another thing we are demonstrating is this adaptive welding with a scanning system that we have over here, the other workpiece. So we can use the laser scanner to scan the groove, and then our own scan software, it determines all the multipass welds automatically, and if the groove dimensions change a little bit due to the prefabrication, then our own software, it can do like adaptive welding. It recognizes the volume change, and then it changes the speed or weaving, so it does the same fill deposit all the time. But yeah, this is like our basically smallest PEMA unit, and if customers need anything, any size, bigger the better, PEMA is there to deliver.
Well, and this showcases, I mean, it's a small unit, but you can handle rather large pieces on here.
Yeah.
And what's great that some customers might not be thinking through is because of this Skytrack, you're able to position that part so you can get that whatever orientation of weld that you want on that part.
We can always weld in optimal welding position. So that's the important part on this one.
Absolutely.
And this can handle 2,000 kilos workpiece, and diameter can be 1.5 meters.
Okay, yeah.
So it can be quite large.
Rather large pieces. Great.
Yeah, in comparison to the size of the machine. So it's the workpiece can be. We can actually weld this machine's own frame. We can weld it with this machine. So it can like
make it
duplicate itself.
Yeah, that's right. Well, we have our robots making robots, so we know the feeling. And so take me back to that software a little bit. Software is really key. Programming, simplifying that program. So would you mind taking us through a couple of the key features that make it easy to program on here? Yeah.
Well, here we have Lauri Paasio, our application manager, who is the best guy to give you some
perfect
short demonstration.
Programming works.
Yes, just the
main features.
Yeah, that'd be great.
I'll show you. So it's Weld Control 300 offline, created by PEMA only for welding applications. On the left side we have tools to create a program. On the right side I have tools to control the station. So for example, I can zero position everything, move different joints of the station. But the key thing is how to create a welding program with this one. I'll delete the old program so we can start from zero. So basically I'll show a new feature now that we're releasing in the end of the year called the Path Planner.
Okay.
So with a single click on the base plate of the workpiece, which is this is a step file or SolidWorks assembly. Just drag and drop from Windows. Single click the surface. System finds all the possible welds which touches the base plate. Then I'll choose the welds. Open up our path planner. Move it up here. And now the system plans automatically the weld paths which are collision free.
Just like that.
Just like that. Now we have collision free weld paths in 1G PA,
and that was
PA position.
Seconds of time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's how we program
Fantastic.
this workpiece.
Thank you very much for that quick run through.
Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Tony, for taking us through your Skytrack and the overall system. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.